So hey guys, today in our store we have a very special bike, the Tiger 900. We are with the owner of the bike. So let's have a talk show with him. Sir, what part are you here to fit?
I'm here to get fog lamps fixed. Here, panniers, right?
And the pannier?
And the panniers, yeah. And additionally, they are trying to help me with my existing top box. If they can fit it on top of it, that would be great.
It's like you're planning for a long ride.
Yeah, of course. I'm planning to go to Goa.
Goa?
Yeah.
For IBW?
Just after IBW. For IBW, I'm already going there, driving with my parents there.
Okay.
So I'll come back from Goa. Second day when I'm back, I'll be riding back to Goa again.
Oh, so you are a full-time rider, huh?
Yeah, I like to ride, yeah.
How did you hear about HTRZ MODZ?
Oh, well, interesting. I was trying to search for these panniers, right?
Okay.
And I was about to place an order to ZANA to get them.
Okay.
But I was trying to search. They were supposed to ship it in few days. I thought, let me go to local market and search. I went to YouTube.
Okay.
Right? That's where I saw HTRZ, the reviews there and advertisement there, right? You guys would have posted some content. So I called and then said, hey, do you have the pannier? Yeah, why don't I go out and take a look at it?
How was your experience in the store, like with the salesman?
Yeah, pretty good. That guy is pretty helpful. I think Alan, he's pretty helpful.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, he's knowledgeable, pretty helpful.
Okay. Any other parts that you are planning to fit in the future?
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, the basic setup is done.
Okay.
So as we ride, we'll understand if there is something missing here. We'll go ahead and fix it.
So any parts you need, we have it available. We're just one call away from getting you all the parts. So anyway, let's talk about your bike a bit. Yeah. So how long have you been riding it?
This is a pretty new bike, just a 1 week old bike.
Okay. How many kilometers have you done?
250 kilometers in 5 days.
Any reason you choose a specific bike like this?
Yeah, I'm already riding a Himalayan 411.
Okay.
So I wanted to upgrade.
Oh,
So
you have a pretty big upgrade.
it is pretty big. I mean, the next upgrade that I was actually looking was Transal.
Transal.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's a really good bike.
Good bike, of course, but the only thing is it doesn't come with alloy wheels, right?
Alloy wheels.
It has a tube tire.
Yeah.
So I have suffered it once. I was riding it with my wife, 5 a.m. in the morning. I got a puncture on my Himalayan.
Oh,
So I had to work 3-4 hours to find a puncture guy. Right?
That's the worst.
So I said, if I'm going to upgrade, I'm not going to buy a bike with a tube tire, right? It's mainly highway touring.
Okay.
So I'm gonna keep this for highway touring.
Highways and long rides?
Long rides, yeah, usually. So this is a pretty decent bike. I mean, this is, of course, it's a big upgrade, but the name says Tiger, but it's actually a rocket, right? When you throttle, you will realize it's
So it's pretty fast also for
pretty fast. Yeah, it's actually a rocket.
Good to know. So if what would you suggest a person who's looking for a bike that is a cruiser and all that? Would you suggest this bike?
Yeah, if you can handle a bike with such power, right, you gotta have some experience, right?
Okay. Do you mind how long have you been riding?
Like 20-25 years.
Like proper riding?
5 to 6 years.
5 to 6 years.
Yeah.
So you are very experienced.
Yeah, I've done Kedarnath. I've gone to Chopta in Uttarakhand there.
From Bangalore?
No, I was in Delhi. From Delhi to
Okay.
Kedarnath, I did it on my bike. Couple of times Bangalore to Munnar, I have done it on my Himalayan.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we have someone who is adrenaline junkie and a rider.
Yeah, of course.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you. So that was really nice talking to you.
Sure.
If you need any other upgrades, anything, we have everything possible over here. Anyway, I'll let you continue with your work.
Sure.
It was nice to meet you.
Sure.
Nice to talk to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for all the help.